Tired of spending hours applying for remote jobs, only to find out the company stopped hiring before you even clicked submit? You're not alone. It's frustrating, time-consuming, and feels like you're chasing something that doesn't exist. But here's the good news. There are companies that are always hiring, and they're paying top dollar for your skills. By the end of this video, you'll have a list of 10 remote-friendly companies that can help you finally land that dream job without the endless guessing game. Hi, I'm Cash Money, and a few years ago, I was in the exact same boat, stuck in a 9-to-5 grind, fighting through rush hour traffic and living for the weekends. But everything changed when I met a guy at a Starbucks who casually mentioned he worked remotely, traveled the world, and made $200,000 a year, all while working just 20 hours a week. That conversation completely flipped my perspective on what work could look like. Fast forward to today, I've helped thousands of people break free from the cubicle grind, find amazing remote opportunities, and create the work-life balance they deserve. I've been there, and I know how life-changing it can be to take your work on the road or just stay in your pajamas all day. So grab your favorite drink, get comfy, and stick with me as we explore 10 companies that are always hiring remote talent. And before we dive in, do me a favor, tap that like button. It's the digital equivalent of a high five, and it really helps the channel out. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with Conduent, swing a giant in the customer service world. If you've ever been told you have the patience of a saint or can stay calm in the middle of chaos, this might be your ideal starting point. Conduent is constantly on the lookout for customer service rock stars who can turn frustrated callers into happy campers. The pay ranges from $36,000 to $50,000 a year, making it a solid choice for beginners in the remote work arena. My tip? Highlight any customer service experience you've ever had, even if it was selling lemonade as a kid, and don't forget to polish that phone voice. Professionalism goes a long way here. With decent pay and accessibility, I'd rate this an 8 out of 10 opportunity. Next up is Working Solutions. iSwing, a flexible option for those who love variety. Imagine being a digital chameleon, handling customer service or sales support for industries ranging from travel to retail. The pay here is $15 to $30 an hour, which can fluctuate depending on the project. But the flexibility is hard to beat. If you're adaptable, independent, and have a reliable home office setup, this could be your sweet spot. Check out their Become an Agent section to get started. I'm giving this one an 8.5 out of 10, perfect for those who thrive on diversity in their workday. From flexibility, let's shift gears to structure with UPS. Logically, a name you probably already know. No, you won't need to don the iconic brown shorts, but you will be helping customers track packages and solve shipping challenges. Think of it as being a virtual Santa, delivering peace of mind instead of toys. The pay here is similar to Conduent, between $36,000 and $50,000 annually, with potential overtime during busy seasons. Just be prepared for a little stress during the holidays. Shipping chaos isn't for the faint of heart. I'd rate this a 7.5 out of 10 for steady work with a slightly hectic edge. Now, let's talk about Cetel Group. Zrenia, a global leader in customer experience management. If you've got the gift of gab and can juggle multiple tasks like a pro, this is your calling. They offer positions with earning potential from $25,000 to $45,000 annually, along with room to grow within the company. Plus, the tech-savvy roles here make it an excellent springboard for long-term career growth. This one gets a 9 out of 10 in my book. Great pay, strong potential, and a chance to work with big-name brands. Feeling like a superhero? Allstate is next on our list, where you can swoop in to save the day as a remote customer service rep or insurance agent. This role lets you combine problem-solving skills with compassion, guiding people through the tricky world of insurance claims. The pay, again, is in the $36,000 to $50,000 range, but with plenty of opportunities to climb the ladder. If you're willing to get an insurance license in applicable states, you'll be in a strong position. I give this a solid 9 out of 10 for its growth potential and meaningful work. For the educators and knowledge sharers out there, Kaplan might be your dream match. Whether you're tutoring students or creating course materials, Kaplan lets you flex your brainpower while working remotely. With pay ranging from $36,000 to $54,000 a year, this is not only financially rewarding, but also deeply satisfying. Pro tip, even tutoring your neighbor's kid counts as experience, so don't hesitate to mention it. Kaplan earns a 9.5 out of 10. High pay, flexible hours, and the chance to shape lives. Still in the education space, but with a tech twist, we have Cambium Learning Group. This innovative edtech company is perfect for those who love combining creativity with teaching. You might find yourself creating engaging digital content or designing virtual learning experiences. Pay and opportunity scores mirror Kaplan's, $36,000 to $54,000 annually, and an 8.5 out of 10. If you're comfortable with technology and love making learning fun, Cambium offers exciting opportunities. Switching gears to healthcare, MultiPlan is the great fit for those with industry experience. As a remote customer service rep or healthcare specialist, you'll help patients and providers navigate the often confusing world of billing and insurance. The pay is steady at $36,000 to $50,000 per year, but this role does require niche knowledge. If you've got that background, it's a 7 out of 10 opportunity. Without it, you may need to look elsewhere. If you're a creative soul with a passion for making a difference, check out RKD Group. This marketing agency focuses on nonprofit fundraising, giving you the chance to use your skills for good. Pay ranges from $40,000 to $70,000 a year, and volunteering with a nonprofit beforehand can help you stand out. With meaningful work and great pay, I'm rating this one an 8.5 out of 10. Finally, we land on Foundever, Giro Swing, a company that combines customer service with sales. The pay here is among the highest for entry-level positions, ranging from $30,000 to $60,000 annually. If you've got experience in customer service and want to level up, this is a fantastic option. However, it's a bit harder for beginners to break into, so I'm giving it a 7.5 out of 10. As we wrap up, let me leave you with this. The first step toward your remote career might feel daunting, but every journey starts with a single step. Whether it's updating your resume, applying to one of these companies, or simply exploring what remote work could mean for your life, you're already ahead of the game by being here today. Remember, the dream of working from anywhere, be it your cozy couch, a beachside cafe, or halfway across the world, is within your reach. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. It's like giving your future remote career a little extra boost. Drop a comment below to let me know which company you're most excited about. And of course, subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming videos packed with even more tips, company recommendations, and resources to help you land the job of your dreams. Next up, I'll be diving into high-paying remote roles for 2025 that aren't customer service. So stay tuned for that. See you in the next video.